Hi, I'm Dave and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Support. Today we're going to be having a quick look at the second half of a dual part video. The first one being setting up the Ring doorbell, and the next half is setting up the Echo that came with our dual bundle. Now, when we ordered the bundle, we had the option of buying it pre-registered to our Amazon account. This doesn't work with the Ring doorbell because Ring is Ring, Amazon is Amazon. Even though Amazon own Ring, they're separate. So when you buy Amazon products such as Lady A or Fire Stick, or a Kindle, you can have it pre-registered to your account. So when you get it, out of the box, turn it on, and it's fully set. Your Wi-Fi, your Amazon account, everything. So really, really simple. Now that's what we've done with this bundle deal, but it didn't work with the Ring because that's separate. So this time when we open it up, it should be much, much easier to do. If you haven't done that, I'll put links in the description below and a card up there on how I've set up them previously, and that will show you how to do the setup device. So we'll get on with the unboxing now, and then we'll have a look to see how easy this one is to set up. So we'll grab the little pull tab. Now, when I first saw these, I thought they're going to be a bit small. But now looking at the box, I think it's going to be quite cute. That is a tiny little form factor speaker. It's going to be interesting to see what it sounds like. We then have a little welcome pack, power brick, and that's it. So we'll take all the packaging off depending on where their holes are. Now we have a rubberized base so it won't damage your tables or surfaces. Power socket, which is just the round pin from here, and a micro USB socket, which might be for updates, I don't know. But no line in jack on this one either. It's a shame they're starting to remove that because it was a nice way to get a better speaker for things that aren't Bluetooth or aren't enabled like that. But lightweight, standard sort of Alexa speaker. Your privacy slider switch that blocks the camera and should turn off the microphone as well. Volume up, volume down, 2 microphones, and your do not disturb mode, which blocks notifications and things. Well, we'll just quickly plug this in and turn it on. Okay, here we can see that it is immediately recognized that it's for us. So we'll just say, yes, that is me. Continue. Continue. Now we get to choose where we want to have it. Again, this is all just straight out of the box, plug and play. Brilliant. I think we're planning on putting this one in the kitchen, so I'll say kitchen for now. You can almost move it around. Continue. And I'm going to put our photos on it this time rather than a generic set. Oh, photo from this day, I'm going to choose that option. Again, you can customize these options on your phone or on the computer to allow you to have photos that you want to be seen and photos that you don't want to be seen. You can set all that up in the Amazon app. Enable that, and it's all done. Now, Audible is a brilliant set of books that are obviously read out to you over your headphones or over speakers. So if you're into books but reading might be more complicated for you, so if you're dyslexic such as myself, this is a lovely, lovely service to have, and it can really get you going into the world of books. But we will not take the free trial for now.
This device is ready.
Okay, it looks like it's now booted up with all our details on it. Slide down to get to your menus as you would do normally. Come across for your routines and smart home settings. So that we'll do a speaker comparison video later on where we pair them all together, where we have them try them all side by side so we get different sound tests. But I'll try and do a quick sound test on this one. Okay, to pair our device, we pulled down from the top, went into settings, and then Bluetooth, and then we're able to pair that way. So now I can play some royalty-free music from YouTube over here. Okay, we've got this playing via Bluetooth now. So you've got your volume down, volume up.
Up and out, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up and out, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so that's what it sounds like. Definitely not as good as the larger brothers and sisters that it has, but is definitely better than the smaller one. It's a nice in the middle one, and with the screen, that's an extra feature. That was a very quick unboxing and setup, and the reason why that was so quick was because we used the link to my account when purchasing it. Very, very handy feature to have. I'll cut in a scene showing you how to do that, so you can see that now. When ordering Amazon products such as the Echo Dot or Echo speakers or Shows or the Fire Sticks, you can also have it pre-configured. Come down your screen, and when you get to the order point, make sure link device to your Amazon account is ticked, and then when you add to basket, it will be fully enabled and ready to go as long as you've ordered something from them in the past and had it tied to your Wi-Fi details, and you're good to go straight out of the blocks. It will just be plug it in, turn it on, and you're set up. Otherwise, you have to follow the setup instructions. So, as I said, really simple and easy process, but that only works with Lady A's devices, not the Ring's devices. Maybe in the future, but at the moment, unfortunately not. But we are loving these speakers, and we're getting them all around the house because one speaker isn't enough to give that good bass full sound, especially when they're the smaller ones like this. The bigger ones, yeah, they're good, they sound good. This sounds good, but it's not a home cinema. Now, some of these speakers you can actually pair and have them stereo. So in one room you can have them left and right channel, but it has to be the same speaker. So it has to be two of the Echo Dots to do that. I can't remember if the larger ones do it, but double check first before if you want that. You can still have them in groups where you set them up. So this room group, upstairs, downstairs. So like a party mode where it's like the living room, kitchen, dining room all have the same music playing together, but the rest of the house can be quiet. So really, really nice features that are there. Again, I've done that in previous videos. So if you want to see how to do the speaker groups, I'll put a link to the description down below for the other videos, but I'll do a more in-depth setup, because once you've done one or two videos like this, they end up all being the same. So I want to try and keep this shorter. Now, the small show speaker, I think that's quite cute. For the bedside or in a smaller room, the sound quality is actually really quite good. I'm quite impressed by it. So yeah, I like it. If you do want to get yourself a show speaker or a Ring, or both if it's still on a deal, check out down in the description below. And also please subscribe. We're really growing. We're so close to our 1K count. And when you get to the 1K count, then hopefully we actually start making some money out of this, and this could start becoming a real job for us. But let us know how you do get along with these things. The comments are really, really appreciated. We love hearing about what you're doing. If you have any problems, just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you. We try to answer all comments in a reasonable time. Well, if you did find the video helpful and interesting, do give it a good thumbs up, a like, comment, and subscribe. Always subscribe and share. So thanks very much, guys. Hope to see you again soon. As always, take care. Bye for now.